Hello everyone, my name is Rifa Shazmi and I am a data analyst intern at Started Academy. So in this video I'll be explaining the task which I solved in my internship and also show you the solution how I did it. So first we were given a data set, a big data set up to 3000 bit of information, and we were asked to draw pivot tables of those data sets, different types of pivot tables, or add filters in it, add slicer in it. So one by one I'll be explaining it to you. The first task was to draw a pivot table to get the different types of outlets and their counts. So as we all know that the pivot table function is in insert tab here, in the pivot table section and the pivot table thing. So by using that I drew pivot table. I selected those appropriate columns which I was asked to, and then I did that. So first thing was like that, and the second task was to draw a pivot table to get the total sales of for different outlets. So here I also did, and even I changed the sales amount into rupees. That was in units before, but I changed it into rupees, in Indian rupees. So third task was to draw a pivot table to find out the total sales of different items in different outlet types. The fourth task was to add a filter which filters out low fat products and regular fat products, and matlab, what the item fat content was. So here I added a filter which filter out for us for regular fat content of the item, or the more or less what type of fat content is present in it. So we can see by that filter. Fifth was to add a slicer. Slicer is nothing but a filter which filter out us for the data which we require right now. So many type of grocery items were there, but what if I want to see only of seafood or of soft drinks? So and with item fat content, low or regular fat, whatever it is. So we need to, by adding a slicer we can do that. Like here are all the food items which I have selected here, but what if I want of seafood only? So I'll go for slicer and select seafood, and only seafood item will be appear. So this was the task and this was the data sets we were given. So thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next task.